Hi, we have our student. She got placed recently. She's shared some experience.
I am BHUMIKA. I am from Gulbarga. I have completed my engineering in electronic and communication engineering in Vatsal University with 9.72 CGPA. As I have joined this institute in March, so I have got placed in informatics company. From this course, I have got many good knowledge and skills. As Keshav sir has taught me Python, it really helped me a lot because today the interview which I was attended, they asked mainly basis on the Python questions only. And Dhanraj sir, who was taught SQL for me, even he teach good. And Django was taught by Alexa sir. And even aptitude also helped me a lot, which was taught by Selva sir. And that's all.
Okay. How many rounds of interview attended?
3 rounds of.
3 rounds of. Okay. Congratulations and all the best.